A very good evening to everyone. I am Chitrashama Mollo from class 12. Today, I have the honor and also the huge responsibility of standing here to talk about our superheroes. And no, I am not talking about an Iron Man or a Spider-Man. I am talking about our real superheroes, our teachers. It is Teachers' Day today, as we all know. On this day, students like us get the golden opportunity to stand in front of our teachers and, well, not get scolded for talking too much. We often say teachers are strict. That is true. They scold us, they chase us for homeworks we don't want to do. They ask 1,000 questions on the class. But sometimes we forget that behind that strictness, there is hidden care and so much affection. And I have felt it personally. Recently, I went through a really tough time. It was one of those phases when I was not at my best, mentally, emotionally, or academically. I felt like giving up on myself, but my teachers never gave up on me. Instead of labeling me as lazy or as a weak student, they pushed me forward. They told me that it's okay to fall and I can rise again. Some of the teachers even changed their way of teaching just so that I could learn better and not feel left behind. And that made me realize how blessed I am to have such teachers in my life. And honestly, I think teachers have a very secret talent. They can spot mistakes from miles away. You may think you're whispering like a spy at the back of the class and no one is hearing you. But suddenly, you know that your teacher have caught you red-handed. At this point, I am convinced that teachers don't just teach. They are part-time detectives. Of course, let's not forget exams. Exams are the times when students become part-time poets. Teachers assure us, don't worry, the paper will be very easy. The paper arrives and the first question looks like it was made out of NASA. Students like us write answers like mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. But in reality, my brain is powerless right now. And still somehow, our teachers patiently check those papers, mark them without losing their mind. I think that deserves an award itself. Truly, teachers are some of the very awesome people I have met. They feel more like Wi-Fi connections to our students, always available and always connecting us to knowledge that we need. So today, I want to say thank you, not just for the lessons or for the homework checks, but for standing by me when I could not stand by myself, for making me learn things that keep me forward. Exams may come and go, our results may rise or fall. But the lessons, the encouragement our teachers have given us will always stay with us forever. So, on behalf of all the students present here today, Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. And remember, we may forget the Pythagoras theorem or the chemical formula of sodium chloride sometimes, but we'll never forget what you have given us in this life. Happy Teachers' Day, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much.